Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to add the silver glitter effect onto CapCut. So what you're going to want to do is go to Media, click on your clip that you want to add the effect to. You're going to click and drag it onto the timeline. And then once you have your clip in the timeline, you're going to go to Effects on the top left corner, click on Effects, and then under Video Effects, go down to Trending. Go down, and then right here you could see silver glitter. We're going to click and drag it down to the clip, and we're going to leave it right on top of it. And now we can shorten it, elongate it for it to fit the entirety of the clip. And then we can actually go with it being selected. You want to make sure it's selected. So you click on it, and then you go to the top right corner where it says Special Effects, and you could change and edit the effect. You could make it stronger, you could increase the glow, you could increase the size of it, and the speed. So let's see how it looks. Guys, if this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.